Benedicto Reyes Cabrera, widely known as Bencab, was born on April 10, 1942 in Manila. As the youngest of nine children, growing up with artistic influences from his father, a newspaper illustrator, and his older brother Salvador, an established artist. He began painting at the age of 7, won his first art award in sixth grade, and later graduated from the University of the Philippines College of Fine Arts in 1963, rising to prominence in Manila's art scene in the 1960s. He married British writer Caroline Kennedy in 1969 and moved to London, where, despite initial struggles, his work gained international attention. When martial law when martial law was declared in the Philippines in 1972, he briefly returned home before moving back to London in 1974, a period that deepened his focus on social commentary. His landmark 1972 Larawan exhibition at Laws Gallery tackled anti-colonial and societal themes. After divorcing in 1985, he settled in Baguio and co-founded the Baguio Arts Guild, exploring handmade paper as a medium in aiding relief efforts after the 1990 Luzon earthquake. Named National Artist for Visual Arts in 2006, he established the Ebencab Museum in 2009 to showcase his works and promote Filipino art. His style is defined by fluid lines, rich textures, and a focus on the human form with iconic series like Sabel, inspired by a marginalized woman in Manila, examining the human condition alongside themes of Filipino culture and Cordilleras region of socio-political issues.